Alright, welcome back to the channel. It's another Autocross video. I believe this is event number 6 for us. So we missed a couple of events because of vacation. Sometimes you gotta put relaxation over racing. Sometimes. So the car has changed a lot since the last event. So for you guys that watch these videos, I'll clue you into a little bit of what's been going on. If you follow the Instagram, then you already know. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see the latest and greatest of what's going on here in the shop. But for those that are watching the build videos and the Autocross videos, I really appreciate it. The build videos I know are behind working on it. It just takes a good amount of time to do all that editing. But this will be coming up in a future build video. But for now, I'll clue you into a little bit of what I've been doing. So this guy, if you have seen the other videos, you will recognize that that's not the engine that is in those videos. This is a new engine that I just finished getting put in, so not brand new, new to me. So it should be more powerful. I've done a couple test hits around the street, so it feels pretty good. So we'll see how it does at the Autocross event. So I'm gonna get the car loaded up and we will see you guys at the event. We're about to start first runs. The weather is pretty good. We're like in the mid 70s, overcast, partly sunny. Course looks pretty good. It's got some straight sections that will help with the speed, but then quite a bit of technical ones, so it'll be kind of fun to do. Not too many cars running in my class right now. I think there's 2 other CAM-T cars, so several CAM-C cars, so we'll see how we can do with them. Not so good, went a little sideways, probably cold tires. We'll see if we can improve anything on the second run. 3 is done. Got a 42.2 plus 1, so I kind of kicked it sideways and hit a cone. So I think I'm still trying to figure out, or learning this engine, obviously, because it's the first time that I've driven on it. This engine has a lot more power and is easy to spin the tires on. So we got 2 more runs. We're doing 5 runs total today. So overall position is still 5, and then position in class is 1 out of 3. I think the other 2 cars have already ran, so that should hold at first place for my class. So still not as good as my second run, but it was at least clean that time. So I don't know where I'm losing time at. I need to figure that out, but overall I've dropped down to 7th now. So it would have been fastest run, but with a cone. 5th run done, 41.48 with a penalty. Still first in class. Overall 8th, PAX position 6. There's a whole nother heat to go, so some of that will change accordingly. But that's it for today.
And we can do 42.
We're back!
Another autocross is done. This one, as I had mentioned, had the new engine in it. So, what were your thoughts on the new engine?
It sounded really good. You can tell it was more powerful.
Yep.
But I think I was a little intimidated by the idea of the new engine. So I was hesitant to see what it would do at first, but I kind of like gradually got into it as the runs went on.
Yeah, so it will be a little bit of a learning experience for both of us. The other engine was in the car for 9 years pretty much, so I had 9 years of driving experience with that engine. So it's going to be a little bit of a learning curve with it, but we'll get it, and the car will just get faster. This course was difficult. I think that was some of I never felt comfortable.
Like through the whole thing.
Through the whole thing, yeah. Little slalom was just so short because they had to make it so short to try to keep off of bad parts in the concrete and to keep the cars kind of slowed down and safe. So it's part of course design. It's nothing you can do about it. But yeah, that one section just was so tight and so difficult to get through there cleanly. There was some good portions where you could actually open the car up, which was nice and fun. I think was getting close to 60 miles an hour on going into the back sweeper. So that was a lot of fun,
which was
easy
my
to lock
favorite
up.
part of the course was the sweeper, the back sweeper.
Yeah. So results for Ashley's class, for ladies class, she finished third out of 4 cars.
Not too bad.
Yep. For my class, so running in CAM-T, I'm also going to put CAM-C cars on there kind of as a comparison. So in CAM-T, I finished first. And if you look at my time, I would have been right behind the CAM-C car, the GT350R. So I'm a lot closer to him than I was in the last event. So maybe that's how this course was. Maybe the engine is a little bit better. We'll have to see on the other courses going forward. Also for overall, I was just out of the top 10. I finished 11 out of 63. Yeah, I think. Yeah, so out of 50 to 60 cars. Then with packs, I bumped up to 9th overall. So still, the car was very competitive. So I like that. And other people stepped it up. One of the ladies, she's
getting really good.
Yeah, she beat my time, which she's been
trying.
She's
been wanting to.
Yep. So very proud of her. So yeah, thank you for watching. We got some more autocrosses. I think this is only like maybe halfway through the year, maybe a little bit more than halfway. So we got a few more coming.
And the next one's on my birthday.
Yep.
Birthday race.
So looking forward to those. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.